Gavin the ghost. Gavin is angry. He has got the hiccups.
Gavin flies into the kitchen. His father is there.
Dad, can you stop my hiccups?
Drink a glass of water. Don't breathe.
Gavin's hiccups do not stop. Gavin flies into the living room. His mother is there.
Mom, can you stop my hiccups?
Stand on your head, sing a song.
Head and shoulders.
Gavin's hiccups do not stop. Gavin flies into the bedroom. His sister is there.
Can you stop my hiccups?
Hold your nose. Count from 20 to 30.
20, 21, 20. Gavin's hiccups do not stop.
Suddenly, his family knocks on the door.
Let's play hide and seek. We go and hide.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Coming, ready or not. Gavin looks for his family. He looks in the kitchen, but no one is there. He looks in the living room, but no one is there. He looks in the toilet, but no one is there.
Living in a ghost town. I'm a ghost.
He looks in the cellar, but no one's there.
You can look for me.
He looks everywhere, but Gavin can't find his family. Now he is angry and sad. Where is my family? Woo! Do you have the hiccups now?
No, that's great. Hooray! My hiccups are gone.
Oh, now I've got the hiccups.
I'm a ghost. Living in a ghost.